Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use dual apps or parallel apps on your HONOR Magic8 Lite smartphone. First of all, install the application that you want to clone or duplicate on your device, and once you do that, go to Settings, open the Apps menu and go to App Twin feature. Now, in order to create a clone application for one of the available ones, the available applications are the ones that require some sort of sign in, so that you can create a second account for this application simply by cloning this app. And to enable the app clone, you just have to switch the toggle to the right next to the application that you want to clone. For example, for Instagram. Now, in order to find the clone application, let's go to our home screen and find the same application with this two icon in the bottom right corner of the icon. And this way we can use this app to sign in to a separate account, separate from the one that we have in the first application. And if you want to disable the second app, if you want to remove it, you just have to go back to settings, to the app settings, to the app twin, and switch this toggle to the left, click close, and this will automatically delete the clone app from your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.